Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is Python variables. In Python, variables are used to store and manipulate data. They act as containers. They hold values of different types such as numbers, strings, or more complex objects. Now, let's see what are rules for Python variables. The first rule is a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. For example, this is character. We can assign like that, or we can say underscore test s1 this way. If you execute it, it will run. Right click on run. Second rule is a variable name cannot start with a number. A equals to 5. We cannot do that way. If we click on the run, you could see there is a syntax error. Rule number 3. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. A, 1, 2, like this, or A, C, 1, 2, or underscore 1, 2, S, 5. Let's execute it. Click on run. So this is not correct. We cannot use this. So let me comment this out. Let me click on run again. Okay, so this is running fine, no syntax error. Rule number 4. Variable names are case sensitive. Email, or we can say email xyz. So both are fine. These are the different variables in this program. That is called case sensitivity. Fifth rule is a variable name cannot be any of Python keywords. You have if, this is the keyword. Def, you see class, this is also a keyword. And as, async, false, is, in. So these are the example of Python keywords. We cannot use these keywords as a variable. Now let's talk about what is casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. For example, if I say x equals to string str, what it will return? It will return print x. Let me click on run. Okay, there is syntax. I have not indented it. Let me click again. Okay, so 8 is printed. So this will be printed as like this, 8. Now it has become character type, string type, because we have cast numeric 8 into the string. If I have a equals to int 8 again, then what will happen? Print. What will return? It will print again 8, but it will be a integer type. Another example, let me take b equals to, let's say float, let's say 3, and let me print again decimal value, because we have converted number 3, numeric 3 to the float value. It will contain the fractional part of the value. Now we will see what is delete variable. We can delete a variable in Python. This is very good feature. In your program, you can create n number of variables and later on you can delete those variables. First name var Raj. I am printing this. Printing. So Raj is printed. You see, I am going to delete this variable, first name. Okay, and I will try to print this variable again. Okay, will it print? No, it will not print, because we have deleted the variable before printing its value. You see, now we will see multiple assignments. Python allows you to assign a single value to several variables simultaneously, which means you can create multiple variables at a time. Example, a equals to b equals to c equals to 50. Let's print a, print b, print c. Let's run it. Okay. Oh, we have to comment this out. Let's run it. Okay. You see 50 is printed multiple times because we have assigned 50 values to A, B and C variable. Now let's discuss what are Python local variables. Python local variables are defined inside a function. We cannot access these variables outside the function. Did you get my point? I'm creating one method def addition, let's say A comma B, and I am creating a new variable A plus B, and then I am returning this result of A and B variable from the method. Let's print the method addition 3 comma 7. Let's click on run. You see the output is 10. We have passed 3 as a first variable, 7 as a second variable value, but we have to check whether we can use this result outside this function or not. That was our case. Let me print result outside of this function, right? You see, it will not work. It is saying unresolved reference result. It could not find this result variable. You see, name result is not defined, but I can print this result inside the function. Control X, Control V. Now it should work. 10 is printed first, then 10 is printed at the second time with this print statement. Let's talk about Python global variables. If any variable is outside of any of the function is called as global variable. Okay. So these global variables can be accessed inside the functions in the same class. A1 equals to 5. Then I'm taking A2 equals to 6. Another function, copy. Let's say it's multiplication. It is A multiply B. We can print multiplication and say 5, 8. Let's run it. Okay. But our point is, can we use these global variables inside this function or not? Yes, we can use. So instead of using these A and B variables, we should comment result equals to A1 multiply A2. If we run it, so you could see equals to 30. That is correct. These parameters will not work because we are not using these parameters value here. We are not using A and B. We are using A1 and A2. These are the global variables.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.